Hi everybody, I have an exciting announcement to make. I have decided to set up a jewellery making collaboration playlist. Now please keep watching whether you do YouTube or not, because everybody can get involved. Now this won't be a collaboration in the traditional sense where a video needs to go public on a certain date. This is just going to be a big binge-worthy jewellery making playlist, and videos can be added anytime. If you've got any videos that are already public, send me the links to those if you wish, and then the playlist can hit the ground running from day one. Any channel size, any skill level, no rules regarding the projects themselves or the videos, so no specific video length or anything like that, no time slots. Style wise, bezels, molds, freehand, resin drip, you know, where you do it on jewellery wire, wire wrapping, so any kind of wire work, it doesn't matter. It will be predominantly resin because that's the community I'm in, but for anybody watching this who doesn't do resin, perhaps you make beaded jewellery, you can still get involved as well. The only rule I would put on for the YouTubers is that you put the playlist in your description. It would be nice if you can mention the collab in your videos, and obviously a big bonus for me if you can mention that I organised it, but it's not necessary. As long as the playlist is in the description, that's fine. For the non-YouTubers, the way that you can get involved is send me a photo and give me a name that you would like associated with that photo on YouTube. So a name that you're happy to put on YouTube. So it doesn't have to be your full name, it can just be your first name, or it can even be a nickname. I don't mind. I just need a name to associate with a photo. And what I will do is make a montage video. So if I get 10 photos in, I will clip them all together to make their own independent video. So your photo and your name, someone else's photo and their name, all clipped together into a video. And that will be a video within its own right within that playlist. If I don't get enough photos, I'll after a couple of months, I won't want people who have sent a photo in to feel like I've forgotten them or ignored them. So if I don't get enough photos in, I will every now and again just add what I have got to the end of one of my videos, because I really want to showcase the work of the people who watch and like our videos and subscribe to us. There'll be a lot of talent out there that isn't on YouTube, and I'd really like to see that and include you in this as well. So other than to give you my contact details, I think that's all. If I've forgotten anything, I will make a pinned comment. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. So contact details for whether you are a YouTuber or not. If you know my Discord handle, send to me on there. I don't want to put that up on screen. If you don't know my Discord handle, my email address is on screen. Put Jewellery Collab in the subject line. Okay, thank you for watching and listening, and I can't wait to start seeing your submissions. Bye.